Priyanka Naik, aka Chef Priyanka. I'm a self-taught vegan chef, Food Network champion, Quibi Dishmantled winner, TV host, and now author. My debut cookbook, The Modern Tiffin, comes out on November 2nd, which also happens to be World Vegan Day. It is chock full of 55 delicious vegan recipes, and it is inspired by two main things. One, my heritage. I'm first generation Indian American. Two, my life. I have traveled to nearly 40 countries globally. A tiffin is exactly what you see on the cover. It is a steeled, stacked container set that is essentially used as a lunchbox. I grew up bringing my lunch every day to school and even to work. I hope you pick up a copy of The Modern Tiffin and bring a piece of me, my family, my culture, and my travels into your home.